OpenAI is making headlines again with its latest viral use of artificial intelligence. But what is exactly ChatGPT 3 and how can we use it and how does it work? So, in this video, we are going to test ChatGPT 3. So, for that, we have to first go to Google and we can type OpenAI. So OpenAI is the company basically which created ChatGPT 3. So let's see what it is, and this is the website openai.com official website. So here you can see their default interface. So if you want to use ChatGPT by OpenAI, you can search GPT-3 and open this first link. So here to use it you can click on get started. So here you have to create your account. You can create it for free, just sign up using your email address. So I have already created my account, so I am going to log in. So this is the interface of the GPT-3. So here we are going to use its chat feature, and here you can see there are various documentation written. Like if you want to know how to use it in detail, you can read this documentation. It will help you in using GPT-3. So we are going to test its chat feature that is released recently, where we can ask question from it. So here just click on try and start it. It will check your connection and it will be started within like a few seconds. So click on verify you are human, and it is saying that currently it is down due to high demand, and it is writing it in poem form, which looks very beautiful and cool. So here I got the access after refreshing it several times. So let's close this notification, and here we can write any question. So let's see what it answer. Okay, so we will also check whether it copies from the internet or it replies on its own. So here you can see it is writing in a very great way. It is explaining in very detail. Yeah, this is so cool. So that's the answer. So we will check whether it is copying from internet or writing on its own. I will copy the answer, and we can use any plagiarism detector tool to check it. So let's go to a plagiarism detector. So this is website that I use personally to check plagiarism. It gives very accurate results. So let's check the plagiarism. So the testing is completed, and it is giving 9% plagiarism, which is, I think, there is no problem in 9%. 91% is unique. So it is writing on its own. So I asked it, who are you, and it is giving me a reply about itself, which is showing that it is writing on its own. So let's ask a few more questions. So it is giving good replies. Let's ask some trending questions that makes headline always. Okay, so it is defending AI. So it says AI cannot replace humans. So it says AI cannot create violence, but the one who use it can make AI create violence. That seems like a good reply, I think. So let's ask some silly type of questions. Okay, so now I am questioning the answer that it gave me to see what did it get, like it will relate to the previous answer or not. So it gets that I was talking about moon mission. So that's good, that's cool. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Thank you.